Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Roll over! Roll over!
In the early morning hours of a holiday weekend, a Maricopa County Sheriff's deputy conducting DUI enforcement on Loop 202 near Priest Drive in Tempe clocked a vehicle traveling at over 120 miles per hour. The driver, later identified as Ivan Correa, refused to stop, launching a dangerous high-speed pursuit through the streets of Phoenix, one that would end in a fiery crash at one of the busiest airports in the country.
Tom Pine and he just rolled over in the airport. I'm going to shut down. The car's on fire. If you want to advise Phoenix and fire department.
10-4 copy vehicle. 10-4.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Roll over! Roll over! Car down!
Can I call my mom?
I'm fine, 91. I got one in custody.
Can I call my mom, sir?
Go ahead and roll fire as well. You want to call your mom now? Come on, man.
I don't know what to do, man. Sorry.
You don't know what to do. Why don't you just pull over?
Sorry, man.
I know. Come on, get up. You don't need to cry now.
I'm so sorry.
It's all fine anyway. We're going to be by Terminal 3. Sit down. Sit down.
And I put my...
Sit down. Well, is there somebody else in there?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, well, sit down.
Yeah, my friend, sir.
We're trying to help them. Tom Pine and 1, we got one subject trapped in the vehicle. And the hood is on fire. It's in the trunk!
Please.
Sit down!
Please, my friend's here.
Sit down! Hey, sit down! Stop by my subject in custody took off running. He's still in cuffs. I'm gonna stay behind. Hispanic male, gray sweater, black pants. I'm gonna stay with the subject stuck in the vehicle.
It's okay, nothing. It's all right.
Westbound.
All right? You got your stick?
Hang a right. Go down that. You should be right in cuffs. Go straight. Past that stop sign.
Watch out.
down the road.
Jump, come on. Come on, let's go.
Here he comes. Can we grab him? Yeah.
Okay, hey, what's going on?
No, so I turned my lights off back there because he started getting reckless.
Hey, come out here. Someone's in it.
Yeah, that guy's in cuffs.
Got him?
No, he's in cuffs. He took out running with cuffs on.
Correa and the fleeing passenger were apprehended shortly after. DUI charges against Correa are pending blood test results, with additional charges expected given the circumstances. What started as a routine DUI enforcement stop nearly turned fatal, and it was a deputy's split-second decision to stay with a trapped victim, rather than chase, that made all the difference.